Bolts need 19 of 27 as Jimmy Neesham makes his way to the middle. He's done the heavy lifting all through this tournament, and once again he'll be eager to put up a tidy finish, apply the finishing touches and walk back victorious as champions. At the other end, Thakur once again has played a very, very matured innings.
He's had a good tournament, hasn't he? Thakur, 24 from 17, but it's the wickets that he's contributed, some runs as well. Come on, Jimmy, entertain.
Gets off the mark, and that's the shot of a man in good touch. Yeah, the fielders have been made to work this afternoon. Yeah, but a good break for Kuggeleijn and the Royals.
Simple catch for Scott Kuggeleijn. Now takes him level with Rajbanji. He's the highest wicket taker in the tournament, but afraid the afternoon belongs to Malanta.
And that's what he'll do. He knows his job. Doesn't need to bring out the big hits. They just want to get home and celebrate.
Big Jimmy Neesham nudging and nurdling their way to victory. I don't know so much. I think if a spinner bowls to him and he fancies it, he'll want to give these people that have come to this ground something to cheer about.
Got to give it to the fans as well. The air is electric and excitement infectious as well. Not just today, all through the last 18 game days. A poor bowling. That'll be 5 wides again. Giving it away, the Royals at the moment. And bowls are getting home without breaking a sweat at the moment. Yeah, 5 wides. 11 of 25. HD, the writing's on the wall, looks like.
They're gone. They're absolutely gone. 16 wides already, 18 extras. Too many for a final.
Cut away. Straight to Harmeet Singh. Another expensive over here. 15 runs coming up over number 16. The Bolts need 11 and 24. It's 174 for 3. Yeah, the Tribhuvan University International Cricket Stadium is a cauldron of noise, a kaleidoscope of colour and a sea of frenzied fans. And there you can see it on your screens as well. We've had massive turnout, massive support and loyal devotion as well for their respective teams. Cricket is a winner. Nepal cricket has captured the imagination and amplified its cricket world over with season 1 of NPL. That's not the Jimmy Neesham we know, HD.
Well, it's Harsh Thakur's job to finish it clinically. It's Jimmy Neesham's job to finish it in style. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if Thakur gives him the strike here, because I think Neesham has a bone to pick with Dipendra Singh Airy. Airy's dismissed him earlier on in the tournament, and there was all sorts of gymnastics that went on. And Neesham has an opportunity here. Right, he'll have the strike. I know where my money is. I think the New Zealander wants